Hello students, already in previous classes in chapter 1 you learned what do you mean by nutrition and what is the process of nutrition will take place in plants, right? So today our second chapter, nutrition in animals. So we know that already. So plants can make their own food by the process called photosynthesis, but animals cannot. Why? So animals have to, depending on other plants directly and or indirectly, by eating plants and by eating animals which depending on other plants. So some organisms, they will eat plants as well as animals. Already we learned in different types of organisms which we can differentiate depending on their food taking process. Means they will eat only plants, means herbivorous. Eating depending on other animals and eating other animals means carnivorous. Both animals and plants they will eat means we will call as omnivorous, correct? So all organisms include humans need food to grow and repair and functioning of the body. So animal nutrition includes requirements of nutrients and mode of intake of the food and utilization to the body. So this is the process which is involved in nutrition in animals. Okay, so in 6th class you already learned so components of food which are present in the food material. So what are the components present in the food item or ingredients? So mainly carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals and vitamins are the major important nutrients or components will present in food items. So these all are complex substances. So for example, if you take carbohydrates are the complex substances, but you cannot take as such. So that's why that complex substances break down further into simple substances, and we will get energy from that nutrient. That means the breakdown process of complex substances of food into simpler substances, the process we called as digestion. Here see, breakdown of complex substances of food is into simple substances we called as digestion process. Okay, if you see here, this is the complex substance, for example. So it will break down further into simple substances for easy digestion. Then we will get energy from that nutrients. So this process we call the digestion process. So this digestion, before that, the nutrition in animals, the first important topic which is involved in this lesson, different way of taking food. Means so many ways, mode of ways are there to take food. For example, sucking, chewing, scrapping, swallowing. Okay, these all are the mode of food taking processes. Means here the different organisms, the food taking process will be varies, means different to each other. So for example, bees, honeybees and hummingbirds, if you take, they will suck nectar by the flower of the plant. Okay, some organisms like humans and other animals, if you take, they feed on mother's milk. So snakes, if you take, snakes will swallow other animals and they will prey upon. So if you take some aquatic animals, okay, which are living in water, inside the water. So aquatic animals, if you take, they will take some teeny particles of food which are floating upon the water and they will feed upon them. So these are the different ways of modes of taking food. Suppose here, for example, I taken some animals, bees, hummingbirds and butterflies. They will take, what is the food? They will take nectar. Nectar means sweet liquid which is coming from, we are obtaining from plants, flower of the plants. Next, what is the process involved to take this type of food? Sucking process. Through the sucking process, bees will get food from the flower as a nectar. Okay. So, for example, one more if you take a snail will eat grass with the process chewing. Okay. So ants will take insects by the process scrapping. Scrapping means upon skin it will take. Okay, upon skin only it will take that food material. So these are the different modes of taking food process involved in different animals. Means not similar type of mode of taking food process involved. Different kinds of mode of taking process is involved in nutrition in animal. For example, if you see starfish starfish will, depending on other animals, covering by their body which hard shell like calcium carbonate. Once when it want to eat another animal, so it will open, okay, it will open his starfish stomach through its mouth, then it to eat that particular animal or organism. Then automatically, once it taken that other animal, automatically the stomach will go inside and it will be normal. Then the eating that food will be digested slowly inside that starfish. Very very interesting digestion process will take place in starfish digestion process. Okay, so this is the different ways of taking food. So this is for today's lesson. If you have any doubt, you can ask in through WhatsApp. I will clarify. Thank you.